Guys, it's Mobisola Bada and you're welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing us how to make a reversible bonnet on your own. I'm going to be making use of two different fabrics, the Ankara fabric as well as my satin fabric. This is a reversible bonnet that I can either wear the Ankara part out or the satin part out. So let's get started. Starting with my Ankara fabric, we have a fabric that is of 25 by 25 inches. So it's a perfect square, 25 inches by 25 inches. My fabric is on fold already. It's folded in half. Then we fold it once again. From this center point here at the folded area, you are going to take a radius of 12 inches depending on the volume of your hair. You could use 10 inches if you like. So you take it round. So you cut out. Now we spread out this to have a perfect circle. Next, we take our satin fabric and place our Ankara fabric, our round circle, on the satin fabric and cut out. Now, I've placed both fabrics together, right sides facing each other. Then you come in by half an inch and so all around. Remember to leave an allowance of 3 inches here for turning out your fabric once you're done sewing. This is the 3 inches allowance I left for turning it. Now I'm going to turn it. Next, we'll make a casing for our elastic. So we'll come inside by 1.25 inches, then sew all around. Now I'm done making a casing for my elastic. Next, we cut out our elastic. To get the exact amount of elastic you need, measure around the circumference of your head. Mine is 21, this way. 21 inches. 21 inches. We are going to be inserting our elastic into our casing in our bonnet. So you get a safety pin, attach it to your elastic, and insert through the 3 inches space that you left here. Next, I'm going to place this part of the elastic on this end of the elastic and make 2 straight stitches right on top to secure it together. This is it, guys. After doing so, then you begin to stretch your elastics. Stretch and stretch and stretch. Now we are done stretching. Next thing to do is come back to this allowance that we made here and then top stitch. So guys, there we have it. This is our reversible satin bonnet. So thank you for watching today's video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you next time. Bye.